Let's learn the STU.
STU, STU,
Let's learn the STU
of the alphabet.
Let's begin with letter S.
S is for sheep, sheep, sheep. S is for spoon, spoon, spoon.
S is for Samuel, Samuel, Samuel. Now we go with letter T.
T is for tiger, tiger, tiger.
T is for table, 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 table.
T is for Tiffany, Tiffany, Tiffany.
It's the turn for letter U.
U is for Uriel, Uriel, Uriel. U is for umbrella, umbrella, umbrella.
U is for Ulysses, Ulysses, Ulysses. Congratulations! We just learned the letters S, T, and U.